Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get a beating heart background along with velocity edit for your video in CapCut. So first import your video to CapCut and then just go to Effect and Video Effects. Go to the opening and closing and select the diamond zoom. Click on a check icon and then trim the effect and place it in the beginning of your clips. Then after that, go to body effects to get the beating heart effect. Find the background tab, okay, this one, and select the flipped effect. Okay, so you'll get that beating heart background like this. Click on the check icon and adjust the flipped until the end of the clips. Okay, then after that, for the velocity edit, you can just click on the clips and click on style and then select the auto velocity. Okay, this one, and wait for the velocity edit to be applied to your clips. Okay, so now you are done with the velocity, and here is the final result for the beating heart background and velocity edit. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.